A cozy patio at dusk features a circular stone fire pit and curved sofa. String lights overhead cast a warm glow, creating a tranquil, relaxing atmosphere. This cozy outdoor space at dusk features a plush sectional sofa around a vibrant fire pit. A pergola with string lights illuminates lush hydrangeas and greenery. A rustic wooden pergola with string lights shelters a sectional sofa and modern fire pit. The beautifully landscaped garden creates a serene and inviting evening atmosphere. A luxurious dark wood pergola shades plush seating around a stone fire pit. Golden sunset light highlights the lush greenery, creating an elegant and natural atmosphere. Plush seating circles a central stone fire pit under warm string lights. Blooming hydrangeas and lush greenery frame this elegant outdoor space, perfect for evening entertaining. Beneath a rustic pergola with string lights, a comfortable sectional surrounds a warm stone fire pit. Lush greenery and a stone path create a serene retreat. String lights cast a warm glow over a stone fire pit and comfortable seating. Manicured bushes and lush greenery frame this tranquil, inviting space at dusk. A wooden pergola with string lights covers comfortable seating around a glowing fire pit. Lush greenery and a stone pathway surround this serene patio at dusk. A wooden pergola draped in lights arches over L-shaped seating and a lively fire pit. Vibrant hydrangeas and lush foliage create a relaxing, atmospheric outdoor gathering. A cream-colored sofa sits near a modern fire pit under a rustic pergola. Blooming hydrangea bushes and warm string lights create a sophisticated, tranquil backyard oasis. A comfortable sectional sofa surrounds a round fire pit beneath a pergola with string lights. Vibrant flowers and lush greenery create a warm, natural patio ambience. Curved beige sofas surround a rustic stone fire pit under a wooden pergola with fairy lights. Lush landscaping and natural stone tiles create an elegant atmosphere. A pergola draped with string lights covers comfortable sofas near burning fire pit. A palm tree and lush plants enhance this serene, inviting evening ambience. A large U-shaped sectional sofa encircles a modern fire pit under a lit pergola. Blooming hydrangeas and lush foliage surround this tranquil, inviting stone patio retreat. A curved sectional sofa surrounds a circular stone fire pit with a vibrant flame. A wooden pergola with string lights illuminates this inviting, photorealistic patio scene.